Welcome to part 3 of Building a Brand. My name is Ecom by Nick, and yesterday I got an idea to build a brand and document everything online. So yesterday we found the product, we found our ICP, our perfect customer, we build the brand image, the graphic profile. So that's 2 videos and they are already out. Check them out on my channel. And today we are building the website. So I think it's going to be a long video today. So just buckle up, get some popcorn. I got some candy here, some water. So let's do this. So the first thing we need to do is open a new Shopify account, or not Shopify account, but a new store. So what you will do, go to any of my videos, click in the description, and the first link is to Shopify. And of course this will be in your language. I'm in Sweden, so it's Swedish. Otherwise it would be in your own language. And here you can start a free trial. I think it's free for 3 days, and then you have 3 months. Only $1 or €1 per month. So click here, sign with your email, and you will get your Shopify store. And when you have done that, it looks like this. Let's put on our glasses and do some work. I think I will have to blur a little bit of this video, so bear with me that some text and something will be blurred because I don't want my address and things like that. But when you fill in your email address at Shopify, after you click my link, you should fill in your email address. You will get some questions. You don't need to answer them. You can just skip them. And then you will be here. And this is the back end of your store, the settings. So first thing at the top, and you have to choose a plan to get started. You get the first day for 3 days for free, but so you can try it out in 3 days or something like that. But I choose the plan anyway directly. And it's good enough to start with basic. Here I do one. For this store we only need one shipping zone. We do international, so we put all the countries in it, and we will do free insured shipping. That you do like the here you can edit the zone and you can choose the countries. All the countries are in it right now, and then here you can edit the rate, and here you can name it for whatever you want. We have free insured shipping. Because we're gonna sell with free shipping. I'm not always doing that, like everyone dropshippers say, always sell with free shipping. No, often I have 1 for free with shipping, and 2, if you buy 2 or 3, you get free shipping. But in this case, it's not probably the customer only will buy 1, and it's more expensive. So we will put like the shipping price in the price. We will do a deal for them. You will see later. Because I will also put in here express shipping. Insured express shipping. And why I always put this condition on one is because once I had done all the shipping and it didn't work on a new store, and then I put it on 1 and then it worked. So I have kept doing it. I don't know. Of course, you don't need to do it, but so taxes and duties we don't do. Location, or we do taxes and duties of course, but we do it by ourselves. Location, apps and sales channel, domains. Here we have bought our domain. Let's see if we have to do any DNS. No. Yes. So what you do, if you have one.com, you can do like this. DNS records. First we have the CNAME. And it should be pointed to shops@myshopify.com. With that, let's see that we got it right. Current value, yep. Create that record. And then we will have to do a record. And that's there. And the host name was, yeah, I don't need to do that. Let's see. So I updated the, and let's see. Sometimes it takes a while, sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. Hopefully it goes quite quick right now. Yeah, and that is the main. Let's see if this one works. Primer for store, it says, let's see. Yep, now it's fosseaqua.com, and here is our store. Perfect. And notification, we have done the mail. Now we want also customer notifications. So what I do when I start a new store is that I do all these things in the setting first, because it's boring. And the accent color will be our color. So this is our brand color, and we have, so need to make languages is only if you should change the language. We shouldn't change the language. We have it on English. Customer privacy, it's not so much to do. Everything is automatic. This one you need to do. Return and refund policy. The only thing you do is insert template, and that the contact information. Then we are ready on settings. So let's do something fun. Then we can put that. So here is your store. Here's the store, and it looks like this right now. Let's see if I'm gonna verify my email to Shopify. The email we put up here, domain, yes, and this will take. Why you need to verify your email here in the notifications, what we did, is because all emails going out from Shopify will look like this. Product. We can go with that one. The description, I only do one thing, and that's put the GIF. And I put it to center. Then we have media, and here we have all our product photos. And that's product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. Okay, I've decided on the price. Let's go with 59 because our research here says target price 62 90 based on our market and based on what we wanted. We want a top mid-range product. So that's what we're going to do. And we're also going to do the ads around that of course, that we are top mid-range. So let's do that. And then we'll be working with a profit margin of $53. That's really, really good. So let's try and see. Track quantity you need to take away. And we don't have any options or sizes or colors. And what you need to do when you have bought Shrine, you will get a mail from them with a link, and you will get to this site. And when you get to this site, you will need to put in the domain name or the domain address. fuzzyaqua.com and your Shopify URL. And the URL to the Shopify you found in the settings, domain, and here you have that. So you can just copy that one and put HTTPS in front of it. I don't need to add a second domain right now. No. And then you just put download Shrine and you will get a zip file. Let's see. You get a zip file, put it on the computer, and you will copy this one. The token, and then we will go back here. Online store. And on themes, we will import theme, upload a zip file, and then you just drag the theme here, upload theme. Then you put publish. And now we have the Shrine theme. So customize. And our store will look like this right now. And you will need to get, let's see, theme setting, authentication, and you will put in the token. And everything is perfect. So we will not focus on the home page so much. We will go to the product and perfect. So here you go. And one thing before I go back to products. Team template, stainless steel bottle, stainless steel water, like that, and back to customize. And let's customize product. Here we have it. And we know what we want. So I would like to start fresh. So I will take away like everything. Comparison table, I know we will have that one we can take away, that one we can take away. So you see they have a lot of options. That's why it's nice to have a Shrine theme. Result headline, we will have testimonials also. Collapsed content we will use. But what we more will use is we will have one image with text. And that will be in the front. Vertical ticker we can take away. And then we will have the results. Yes, and after results, we will have our testimonials, and then we will have comparison table. Yes, and then we will have one more image with text, that one, and then we have the collapse or FAQ, and then we have one more image with text. And that's how I do it. And I'm just looking at at my other store how I used to, because sometimes I forget by myself how I used to have it. And everything is now perfect. We will go up to product info. Here we will also have, let's see, description. On this one we will have, because we have the GIF, and below the GIF I will want collapse row. Yes. Let's start building. What we can do now, we can say we have the layout for everything, and then we just go in team settings. We will put up our logo. I told you this is going to be a long video, but I think you will get something value of this. Fuzzy aqua. And I think on this one store, it's important that it looks often. I just want it to look really good on the mobile. I don't care so much about, but in this case, I think we're gonna sell to a lot of older, so it's good that it looks good on the computer too. Favicon, that was the one we did also, and that's the one. That's a picture that you see besides the domain name you have right in the web address up in the search. Let's see, colors, accent color, we will go with, yes, looks good. So accent 2. To do it easy for yourself, use only 3 colors, and also the store will not look so scammy. It will not look like a China store if you use the brand color and you use black and white. So not more than, not less. Typographic, I will have Poppins. I love Poppins. Poppins, Smack, and Poppins Bold, yes. And we have price. I always put the compare price first, because I think that's how we do it. You put the real price and then you... Oh, now the price is in Swedish krona here for me, because it's local, but it will be, of course, in pounds. The emoji benefits and the margins, I always put them down to 3 on everything. Here we will do the title small, put that down to 3. And I don't like really that it is so... Let's see what we can do about this, because it doesn't look so nice, I think. Oh, you see, it looks much better. The bundle, we will not use. move forward. Then after this, after the payment options, we have the reviews. And we are keep copy and pasting. And the reviews we have like this. And put your best picture, of course, first, and then also this. Change all this to 3, so the product page will be much tighter. It will flow a lot better. Let's see if I did that on. No, I didn't do that on the payment option, so I will do that also, of course. 3. So you see, it's a big change. And then we have the description, and that's the only thing we need to do there is change this. Boom. Now we have the collapse rows, and on this one we will have small, 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 and we will change that one to 3. Let's see, image with text. Our first image with text was this guy, and we had, let's go up to our prompt again. Why cat lover love? No, here. Personal text with strong headline. Your cat deserves better. Of course it does. I always put that in small. Better than a plastic ball. So we have highlighted some words that is important to get the feeling for the customer. Let's do the results. Boom. Perfect. So that's really perfect. This one I don't like because when you have done this for some times, you notice some things, some comments is always like the same when AI write it. Like, I didn't think this would make such a difference, or this is a game changer. I hate that one. So the testimonials should really be like someone has wrote it, a real person. So it should be like quite bad. So let's see. We do like that. Know if select there. Let's customer down to. Let's see. So let's see. We are a long way. Comparison table. And this last one will be how it's emotional. And now. And let's just copy and paste that. Boom. So the last thing is our offer. We have that one. And let's see what ChatGPT call to action. Yeah. Fresh water, healthy. Yeah, yes, that one was good. And then you just link it to the product. Your cat will thank you. Save. Then we will do the footer. Hi. Oh, perfect. Footer, social media, country and regions, language, payment, show, policy. Here, smack. Then we have all the policy there, and power by shrine should get away. So let's go with that one. So now our product page is almost done. What we need to do now is only like our horizontal ticker maybe. So my battery died, so the last thing we need to do, will do on the small screen, but we are at checkout. We need to add our logo. Background image we don't need. Accent color. Yes, we want the same color as we had. And this will be applied to all our checkout, thank you page. Don't forget to do this, because if the customer put something and want to buy it and they come to checkout and it looks strange, they won't of course buy. So this is critical moment. So here you want everything, you want it to be branded. So let's go. Then we are almost done. Contact, let's see, get in touch, we are here to help. Here we can do a little bit better. Here we can do a little bit better. We can add a section, and we can add there we have the image with text. Put that over, we can take away that one. So it looks a little bit more branded. Should we have any? No, we don't need any more pages right now. We need to fix the first page in here. So this is a new feature that Shopify has. You can take that copy and just go to another page and then do like this and paste in. And we have our front page. Almost. We can do like this also. We can put the button. And here we can just paste a link to the product page, of course. Next thing we're gonna do is you can go to one of my videos again, and here you can press catching bundles. And we can install it. And this will be free for 14 days, and then it will cost accordingly to how much you sell. And we will do like this. Specific. Select product, take the product, fine. And customer item, show price sets, you compare. Here you can have skip cart and go directly to checkout, but I don't know if we should do that because we will have an upsell in the cart. Now, the border color, block title, add a free gift, text plus free gift, motion sensor. I think that is great. And we can have like fuzzy aqua plus 4 filters plus free gift motion sensor. Yes, and then we can have, that's great. Then it gets a lot more visible for the customer what they get. And I want to activate. Okay, let's see. Now it's activated. It looks good. I want to do 2 more changes. Setting and style. Here, the badge. So I want to do that. Now I think we almost are done with our store. We should do, of course, pages. We have this one, that's contact, and that goes to contact. We can save it. Then we go to the menus, main menu. Here is contact, and here is track your order. And for track your order, we have downloaded. Okay. For track your order, I have downloaded track 1, 2, 3. It's just to go here, apps, search track 1, 2, 3, and download it. That's perfect. So I think we are done. Let's see if we remove the password. So we are done with the website. Let's see, we have our homepage, we have our contact page, and we have track your order. And of course, the most important thing, we have our product page. It looks branded, it looks great. We have a good offer. We are premium priced, and let's see how it goes. In the next video, we will do the ads, and we will set up meta, and we will do the testing campaign, and let's see if we have a good brand or not. So thank you for watching, and thank you for working with me today, and see you in the next video.